As part of a community development outreach initiative, the TWF organized an awareness program and distribution drive at Rangi Tila village under the Dhalai Haladia Village Committee. The event marked a significant political shift in the locality as 12 voters from 4 families officially joined the Tipra Motha party.
The program was held in the presence of several prominent leaders, including Gita Dabarma, TWF General Secretary, Mahendra Dabarma, 29 Krishnapur Block President, Budrai Dabarma, Haladia VC Chairman, and Ashok Dabarma, 29 Krishnapur Working President. The leaders welcomed the new members and emphasized the party's commitment to grassroots development and the empowerment of indigenous communities in the region.
Chini, 13 March 2026. Chini, Agar Maharanipuri, Bishingo Klainai, Agar Maharanipur, Telemurani, Bishingo Klainai, Haladia Village, Ward number 4. Tino Jaga Chini, Tipra Motha Ningi, that's a Tikota awareness program. Into O Jaga awareness program Himpano, O Jaga Chini, 4 family ni, Bhara Butar, Tipra Motha, BJP Yakari, joining Faika. Kokhayabusi, Chini, Tipra Motha, Bus Kamo election Tamu, Abunibagi Tipra Motha, Borok, Tama awareness program to my goods distribution to Niakabat to my Bazar Shabak to Niakabat to my Jono Shabak, Kotaram to Joe to Jakano. Kise, just Sakimana joining program to go. Kuno Jagat and Kurukia, Kuno Jagat Kurugo, Kokhayabusi, Bubakani, Nahamani, Belekan of Keple, Tiprasani Bagay, Tuktali, Tiprasan Bagay 100% Bini Samukai Tamani Bagay, Chini, J. Ono Kubun Patio, Kubul Tamai, Chini Kadani, Takuk Bukuksho, Borok Turuk Bujuo, the Chini Patio Borok joining the Payoti. Borok joining the family Bagay, Tipra Motha, Belekan of Borokno. Bubagrani warrior sungai borok khaka hambaya chaka borok ni jekono somoyo before dapo chukdu borok bai tongnani bagai जों Tipra Motha ni job the warriors jotong ni karboddo tini no joining yakho awareness program of fight paika tino jagani bisino tiduli tongai tini takho bodarai basically bini netriteo no obo tinungi tongo on locally netrito tongo tini bodarai Chini Takuk Sondi, Tarpore Chini Takuk, Don Kumar, Aboni Poreto Chini Mohendro, Chini Osu, Chini Shopor, Borok Jotono, Tipra Motha ni active warriors, Aboni Bagay, I Agara Maharanipur, seat Palai Keno Tabu, positive Pungi Tamo, Kahamungi Tangi Tamo, Chunkebo Ojaga, Bakatrina Nikre, Buskami, Chudo, Somonyo, Fetish Tomo, Kambai.
Reported by Biplov from Khoi, Chini Khorang.